Hi kittens, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Now today we're going to actually be making a Zoodles with shrimp and spinach dinner dish, and this is what I'm going to be eating for all 5 days, because you guys know by now I am the meal prep queen, or princess, I'll take either. Anyways, subscribe to my channel, go on my Instagram page, watch my funny videos, and also I drop what I'm making next, so if you guys are that interested, which you probably aren't, follow me. Now, are you guys ready to cook? Let's go. Alright, party people. So as you can see, I'm probably going to get polio from this goddamn... Look at this pot. But I don't got money, so we're going to work with it. So you're going to get a nice large pot. You're going to put a little bit of olive oil. What I like about this meal, it's like a one-stop shop situation. So let's get started, guys. We're going to add in a little bit of garlic. I gotta know better to kids, right? Oh, that smells... Oh, I just freaking love garlic. Alright guys, so this is how it should look, right? The Zoodles with the shrimp and the sauce with the spinach. And now let's season it up. I'm gonna do a cheat taste real quick, just to make sure that the sauce is on point with our beautiful angelic Zoodles. Let's see. Cheers. Yummy. A little soft. Oh, that's freaking banging. Yes, mother, I've done it again. Alright, time to plate and try this out for reals now, guys. Okay, guys, I am so excited today. Look at you, baby. Now you're wondering maybe why I put it in this tiny bowl. It's because I meal prepped this food for the rest of the week. So I kind of need a shave show for later, even though I'm guessing this is going to be really good. Now, it was super easy. As you guys saw, it was a mess. I threw everything in a pot and I put the lid on and I said bye. And it came out to be absolutely delicious. Now, I season my sauce a particular way. You are more than welcome to season your sauce however you like. I just always been seasoning it this way and it just never failed me. So let's try. Oh my goodness, look at her. I need everything. I need a zoodle. I need a poodle. All right. I need a doodle. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lord. Is that you up there? Because I don't know what's going on down here. This is phenomenal. Wow. Hold on. I need another bite. I need to really assess what's happening right now in my mouth. I love it. Okay, number one, the shrimp, it's like juices with the sauce made like it almost feels like a seafood sauce. Like it's so good. And the Zoodles are so soft, but yet they have that little bite. And the spinach, you don't even know the spinach is there. You just throw it in just for like, I ate vegetables today, you know what I'm saying? But the spinach definitely just makes it more creamy. And I just love this recipe so much. Please try it. And if you try it, tag me in it. Let me know how it goes. Now, are you guys ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3, and last one, so I love you guys. And that's 4. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Mwah.